Hello everyone. Our story for today is about Five Little Monkeys Sitting in a Tree by Aileen Cristello. Five little monkeys and their mama walked down to the river for a picnic supper. Mama spreads out a blanket and settles down for a snooze, while five little monkeys climb a tree to watch Mr. Crocodile. Five little monkeys sitting in a tree tease Mr. Crocodile. Can't catch me. Along comes Mr. Crocodile and snap! Oh no! Where is she? Four little monkeys sitting in a tree tease Mr. Crocodile. Can't catch me. Along comes Mr. Crocodile and snap! Oh no! Where is he? Three little monkeys sitting in a tree tease Mr. Crocodile. Can't catch me. Along comes Mr. Crocodile and snap! Oh no! Where is he? Two little monkeys sitting in a tree tease Mr. Crocodile. Can't catch me. Along comes Mr. Crocodile and snap! Oh no! Where is she? Now there's only one little monkey sitting in a tree, teasing Mr. Crocodile. Can't catch me. Along comes Mr. Crocodile and snap! Oh no! There are no little monkeys sitting in the tree. But wait! Look! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 little monkeys sitting in the tree. Their mama hugs them. Their mama scolds them. Never tease a crocodile. It's not nice and it's dangerous. Then 5 little monkeys and their mama eat a delicious picnic supper. And they do not tease Mr. Crocodile again. The end. Thank you for listening.